Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're trying to change country or region on your iPhone device after updating it to the latest version iOS 26 and you're not able to change the country or region after updating it to the latest version iOS 26, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can change your country or region on your iPhone device after updating it to the latest version iOS 26. So first of all, here you need to open settings in your iPhone or iPad device. Then here you need to tap on your Apple profile. So after that, here you will have to tap on subscription, and here you'll have to unsubscribe all those subscriptions which you have subscribed. Then after that, here you'll have to scroll down, and here is the option of family. Here you'll have to delete or remove all the family sharings from here if you have set up here. After that, go back again, and here you'll have to again tap on your Apple profile. Then here tap on media and purchases, and here you will have to verify your payment method. If you have entered correct payment method, then here you will have to remove the payment method from your iPhone device and re-enter again. And after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here you need to tap on Apple profile again, then scroll down, and then after that scroll down, and here you'll have to sign out to your Apple ID from your iPhone device and sign in again after 30 seconds. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here you'll have to scroll down, then tap on general, then tap on software update, and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you're not using an updated version of iOS, then here you'll have to update your iPhone device to the latest available version. So after that, here you need to close this tab. Again, open App Store in your iPhone or iPad device. So after that, here you will have to here you need to tap on your Apple profile again. Then after that, you will see this tab interface here. You will need to tap on again your Apple profile. So after that, here you will need to wait a while. So after that, here you need to enter your Apple ID password. So after that, you will see this interface here. You will need to scroll down, then here option of country or region. From here, you will have to select your country or region where you are living. So after that, here you need to select your country or region. Tap on continue. So after here, tap on agree these terms and conditions. So after that, here you will need to enter your payment method. If you don't want to enter your payment method, here select none. Then after that, here you will have to enter your billing address. Then here you need to enter your mobile phone number. Then tap on here your country or region zip code. Then after that, select your state. Then after that, tap on done. Then after that, after all these settings, hopefully your country will be changed to your desired country. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.